Well, I got stuck with storm and rain, so we decided to spend the night in Warung Buyam. It's very cold, but luckily I bring my jacket. And tomorrow morning I'll try to trekking to peak of Lawu Mountain. And I set up my tent there, but I left my tent. We spent the night in Warung Buyam. So like this, the situations of Buyam in the evening. Quite cold here, but I'm very lucky. Buyam has blanket here we can use. Well, see you tomorrow morning in the peak of Lawu Mountain. Peak of Lawu Mountain. Good night. Good night. Well, behind me is Warung Buyam. So we spent the night there because of the rain and storm last night. So now in the early morning, about 4:30 a.m., I will go to pick off Lawu Mountain. Let's go. So if we will approaching near with the peak of Lawu Mountain, there will be many stones, small and big stone there. Come on. But we have that to trekking up first. Come on. Okay, matikan dulu. Still many stones. You have to step, be careful. Further, we have sign here. What water is this? There here. Puncak Hargo Dumilah. Hargo Dumilah. Peak of Hargo Dumilah. 3,265. There. Let's go. Well, this is the trek if we are going to the peak of Lawu Mountain. Stone, and we have to trekking up. Woo. Be careful. Many stones. We have to step up. Very cold, and few minutes more we're going to peak maybe here. Come on. Ah, there. There. Yo, finally, I arrived. I got it. Peak of Lawa Mountain, Argo Dumila, 3,265 above seawater. Great. Whew. Beautiful. Look at that. Ian Adventures done. We got in peak of Lawa Mountain, 3,265 above sea level. Well, thank you very much for watching my channel. Stay tuned and see you in the next adventure. I love you all. Bye.